Hello, this is Savox Andy. So you can see here is a Savox 10. So we will make the Savox 10 for our distributor or someone who want to go to the trade show. We may provide for them or we can sell them. So it's my assistant, Ethan. So right now we will open the tag. So Sandy.
Here
so
is
it's
the
my
frame.
assistant, Ethan. So right now we will open very easy to use. So
It's a frame.
first of all, you just open the frame. This one is very easy to use. So around first. So 50. Right. So this one is very easy to use. So and then first. So right now the cover, and then you have a 4 angle. So right now, and each then angle have the magic tab. So you can see the frame right here. So you just put the magic tab. So right now in with the cover with the frame. Put the magic tab. So right now in with the cover with the frame. After setup, you can start to open it. So right now with the cover with the frame. After setup, you can see the locker in here. For each angle, put the lock. You can to the point. So there's a 4 point. You need to lock. Okay, after lock, so there's a 4 point. You need to lock. Then you can adjust in your height. So there's a 4 point. You need to lock. So you can see here. Here is also have an adjusting point. You need to lock. So you can adjust in different height here of your need. So this 10, you can adjust in your height. And the size for this 10 is 3 times 3. 3 meter counts. So this 10, you can adjust in your height. And the size for this 10 is 3 times 3. 3 meter counts 3 meters.
Built for performance.
And you can have a Savox logo and our slogan. And this 10 is perfect for the outdoor trade show logo. So if you need that, you are, and this 10 is perfect. Just call us for the outdoor show. Thank you. So if you need that, you are interested, and this 10 is perfect for just call us and let us know for the outdoor. No, thank you. Trade show. So if you need that, you are interested, and this 10 is you are interested, and this 10 is